The ACEBEAM UC3A immediately impresses with its compact, pocket-friendly design. The package includes a 400 milliamp hour rechargeable battery with convenient USB-C charging and a keychain attachment for easy carrying. More than a miniature flashlight, the UC3A is designed as a versatile, everyday, camping and safety light for pockets, backpacks, emergency kits, and dog walking. Despite its compact size, the UC3A feels like a durable everyday carry tool rather than a novelty light. Its aircraft-grade aluminum body is rigid, scratch-resistant, and easy to grip, while the separated buttons are simple to locate by touch. With drop resistance and IP68 protection against dust and water, it is well suited to rain, camping, hiking, and everyday use. The ACEBEAM UC3A is compact and lightweight enough for everyday pocket carry without feeling bulky. Its flat-sided body sits securely in the hand, remains stable on a surface, and prevents the light from rolling away. The shape also makes the side-mounted auxiliary panel easier to position toward a work area. Carrying options include an integrated clip, keychain attachment, and magnetic base, with the magnet proving especially useful for hands-free lighting during repairs, vehicle inspections, and power outages. The UC3A is powered by a removable, rechargeable lithium-ion battery with convenient USB-C charging, allowing it to be replenished from a wall adapter, laptop, power bank, or other compatible source. Battery life naturally depends on the selected brightness level, with maximum output best reserved for short periods, and lower modes offering longer, more practical, everyday runtime. The removable design also extends the flashlight's service life, since an aging battery can be replaced instead of requiring the entire light to be discarded. The ACEBEAM UC3A combines strong performance, compact dimensions, and genuine versatility. Its powerful dual LED beam handles outdoor, household, and emergency tasks, while the wide RGB side panel adds useful camping, signaling, and fill light functions. Durable construction, simple controls, USB-C charging, and compatibility with rechargeable or standard batteries make it practical for daily carry, travel, and emergency kits. And yes, the UC3A is an impressively balanced multi-purpose light.